Creating your modern pergola and patio garden is a rewarding project that enhances both your living space and property value. Take time to plan carefully, invest in quality materials, and consider all seasons when designing your space. With proper execution, you'll have a stunning outdoor retreat that provides years of enjoyment and becomes the heart of your outdoor entertaining. Transform your backyard into a stunning outdoor living space by combining a sleek, modern pergola with a thoughtfully designed patio garden. This comprehensive guide will walk you through creating an elegant and functional outdoor retreat that serves as an extension of your home. Design considerations: modern pergola stands apart from traditional designs through its clean lines, minimalist aesthetic, and contemporary materials. Before beginning construction, consider these key elements. Structure dimensions based on your available space. Typical dimensions range from 10 times 10. Materials list for basic 12 times 12 pergola main structure, 6 posts 6x6-inch pressure treated lumber or aluminum posts, 4 main beams 2x8-inch lumber or equivalent aluminum 8 cross beams 2x6-inch lumber, 12 rafters 2x4-inch lumber. Concrete for footings, post anchors and mounting hardware, weather-resistant screws and bolts. Additional components: shade material, if desired, LED lighting system, post caps, paint or sealant. Construction process: foundation and posts. Mark your pergola footprint using string lines and stakes. Dig post holes typically 2 feet deep or below frost line. Pour concrete footings and install post anchor set posts, ensuring perfect vertical alignmental concretes to cure fully before continuing frame assembly. Install main support beams across top of posts. Add cross beams perpendicular to main beams. Install rafters at 16-inch intervals. Add any additional bracing for stability. Install decorative end caps and trim pieces. Requires sturdy support. Container gardens: large statement planters at pergola posts. Mixed height plantings for visual interest. Herb gardens near dining or seasonal color spots for continuous interest. Creating your patio garden: hardscaping elements. Spatio base: choose between concrete, pavers, or natural stone. Ensure proper drainage with slight slope away from house. Consider permeable materials for environmental benefits. Install edge restraints for clean border seating areas. Built-in benches along pergola posts. Comfortable outdoor furniture groupings. Consider conversation areas and dining spaces.